students, welcome to the St. Thomas School. Today we are going to continue our lesson number 19, prepositions. Today we are going to learn about beside or besides preposition. Okay, so let's start. Beside means next to something or someone. Rachel's house is beside the park. It means next to the park. This sentence can also be written as Rachel's house is next to the park. Beside means next to. Okay? You can see here students. Here I have some more example. She came and sat beside me. It means she came and sat next to me. Put it on the small table beside the bed. Put it on the small table next to the bed. I like to sit beside my friend. Our school was built right beside a river. Our school was built right next to a river. There was a small table beside the bed. We can also written it like there was a small table next to the bed. Okay? I think you can understand this. Now the next. Besides can mean in addition to, apart from, also, as well as. For example, besides football, Anil likes to play tennis. In this sentence, beside use as in addition to. Football and tennis. Anil also like tennis. Anil like football, but he also like tennis. Okay? So besides football, Anil like to play tennis. Apart from. Beside apple, I like all other fruits. Also as well as. For example, Rita come late to class beside forgetting her English book at home. Rita come late to class also for forgetting her English book at home. Okay? So let's start the exercise. Fill in the blanks with beside and besides. First one. John sat dash the window. What will come students? Beside or besides? Yes, beside. John sat beside the window. You can see here students in the picture. John sat next to the window. Right? So John sat beside the window. Now the next. Dash me, my sister will go to the circus. Besides me, my sister will go to the circus. Here besides come. Besides is correct answer. The garden is dash the pond. What will come students? The garden is beside the pond. It means the garden is next to the pond. Okay? So rest of all you have to do by yourself as a homework. Now the next. Look at the picture. Underline the most suitable preposition among those given in brackets. We have 3 prepositions into the brackets. We have to choose correct preposition and underline it. Okay? So let's see. Nitya is sitting dash Dipali. Which preposition is come here? Nitya is sitting beside Dipali. Okay? Let's see some prepositions, students. You can see here, students. The green ball in the box. The green ball on the box. The green ball under the box. The green ball near or next to or beside the box. The green ball behind the box. The green ball between the box and the green ball in front of box, right? Preposition above and below. How we can use it? The cat is above the table and the dog is below the table. Okay? You can see here, students. The all is in the house. On the house, you can see. On the house, the all is below the books. The all is above the books. The all is near from ball. All is far from ball. The all is behind the pot. The all is in front of pot. Okay? So let's see how to use this preposition. The cat is at the window. The cat is above the dog. You can see here. The cat is above the dog. The cat is below the... Sorry. The dog is below the cat. Now, the dog is on the rug. The dog is under the desk. You can see. The dog is under the desk. You can see here. The dog is here. The dog is here. So what will come? The dog is on top of the table. You can see. The cat is in front of the fireplace. Here. The dog is between the cat. You can see. The dog is here. So what will come? The dog is between the cat. Between the cats. It's a mouse. Mouse is in the drawer. Okay? Let's start the exercise. Second one. Rahul is sleeping dash the bed. What will come? You have to observe the picture which is given here. You can see. Rahul is sleeping over the bed. Now the next. Kitty is dash the basket. What will come, students? You have to see the picture. Kitty is in the basket. Okay. Now fourth one. The boy is jumping between over into the hurdle. So what will come, students? You can see here, students. The boy is jumping over the hurdle. Okay. So now rest of all you have to do by yourself as a homework. Now the next exercise. Here we have a helping box. You can see here, students. Here we have a helping box. We have to choose the suitable preposition for the blanks. Okay. First one. This is a beautiful painting dash the wall. There is a beautiful painting on the wall. Now the next one. The bus arrived at 7:30 a.m. We have to use at here. What can I do? Dash you. It's a very simple, students. What will come? What can I do for you? Okay. So rest of all you have to do by yourself. Now the next exercise. Look at the picture and answer the question. Here also we have to observe the picture and after that we have to give the answer, correct answer. Okay. Here we have one example. Where is Akhil sitting? So Akhil is sitting under a tree. You can see here, students. Akhil is sitting under a tree. Now the next. Where is Kanika sitting? So what will come, students? First you have to observe the picture. You can see here. Kanika is sitting on a chair, right? Now the next. Where are the fruits kept? Observe the picture, students. The fruits are kept in a basket. Okay? So rest of all you have to do by yourself as a homework. Okay? Thank you.